Hello, what's up everyone? This is BATANGKOLANO once again. Today's video gonna show you how to fix the GA top loader washing machine. It's not draining, it's spinning. So yun po, papakita ko ngayon sa video ito kung paano natin palitan ang sirang drain pump dahil hindi na po siya nag-drain, hindi na po siya nag-spin. So papakita ko na po sa inyo sa video ito. So stay put lang po tayo. Keep watching. So, okay everyone, this is the washing machine that we are going to change the drain pump. So, we're just gonna try it for a bit. Okay, we're gonna try to drain it. So, as you heard, the motor is attempting to run but it won't go through. So hindi po siya dumidiretso. So ibig sabihin yung drain pump natin may power siya pero hindi lang tutuloy kasi yung impeller niya ay hindi nag-i-spin. So yun ang reason kung bakit hindi siya nag-drain at hindi nag-i-spin. So first thing to do is unplug your machine. Okay, I have an extension wire here, so I already unplug it. So these are the tools that you gonna need to install this drain pump. I have this 1/4 hexa key, and I have also this long plier, and this one you might gonna need it for uninstalling the wire cable. So pag tinanggal nyo po kasi yung cable pag minsan medyo mahirap, so kailanganin natin tong or just a flat screwdriver. I have this one, so I'm gonna use this. And also we're gonna need the this hexa key also, size 3/8, so for unscrewing the other bolt, the one that covered the machine. So okay, to be able to locate the drain pump, we need to flip over this machine. So because the drain pump is located at the bottom. So this is the GE top loader washing machine. So we can see now the drain pump. So this is our drain pump. Ito po yung drain pump natin. So yan ang ating papalitan ngayon. So that's the one that we are going to replace for the brand new one. So kailangan lang po nating tanggalin itong cover na to dahil nandito naka connect yung ating wire. So this is the wiring, so we need to uncover this to be able to take off the cable for the connected to the pump to the for the motor for the machine. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, using the 1/4 size 1/4 millimeter hexa key, tanggalin naman po natin tong ating drain pump motor. Alright, so we got this drain pump. So most of the time we're just gonna check if there's an foreign object blocking on this motor, also for the hose for this pipe, and that going towards the drainage from the water drum from here. So the water goes here from the drum. So mostly if there's a foreign object like coins, like any other, like that can block the passage through the drainage, so That's most problem. So I already order a brand new one. So I got this brand new one. So you can order it online, wherever you can order online. Here in Canada, I order it in Amazon. I don't know, in some other countries where you can order online. So just search. All right, we are ready to install this brand new drain pump. So this is the impeller. So that's the parts that soak in the water, go to the to this hose to going to the drain pump, or to the drainage. So just simply insert this hose. All right, and using pliers you can put back the clamp. You can see this, right? After that, we can connect this wire here. Okay, right, we already connected the motor. Then we're gonna insert this wire going here. Okay, okay, if you hear the click sound, so it's good to go. So, and we're gonna install back the cover for this motor, for the belt. Okay, so I'm just going to add some water, yeah, just to make sure it's working now. So yan, you save money from bringing this again to the shop, or to the maintenance guy. So if you can do it by yourself, so it's good. So the GE washing machine top loader for today. So if you find this video helpful to you, and if you are new for my channel, and if you like this video, just hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and don't forget also to hit the notification bells para updated ka sa aking mga susunod na video. So thank you so much again guys for watching these videos, and God bless you all and keep safe always. And once again, this is Batangkolano, ang Batanggenyong Bicolano. So goodbye everyone. Thank you so much for watching.